Guys, if you weren't able to take advantage of Harbor Freight's Spring Black Friday sale, I want to show you these Hello Spring coupons, which are actually good through Sunday now, April 27th, 2025 for this new video. First up, from Central Pneumatic, you have this 3/4 inch cast aluminum air impact wrench. It's twin hammer, 1,000 foot-pounds. It's going to be $129.99. Now this is going to be a $50 off coupon. So this coupon expires 4/27. The original price was $179.99. And with this tool, you're getting maximum torque. They're showing it here, taking off some lug nuts once they hooked it up to the pneumatic air tubing. Now here they're saying, and these are some of the reviews, it's saying big, cheap, ugga dugga. I don't know what that means, but I'll go ahead and show you some of the reviews as well as the numbers on this video. These are some white shop towels, 14 inches by 13 inches. It's a 50 pack for $8.99. That's 35% off. 97% of people are recommending these. They're saying they use them all the time in their shop. Strong, easy to clean, and just some good shop towels. From Zurich, this is the ZR11 OBD2 code reader with ABS for $99.99. This is going to be a $20 off coupon. And now look at the top here, it says limit 2, so you can actually get 2 at this price. It was originally $119.99, and this comes with the latest tech and software updates. So you don't need an app, you don't need to use your phone for the screen. This has a built-in screen, which is really nice, and it just plugs right into your car. 94% of people are recommending this. It's 4.6 out of 5 stars, and this is really for the master tech. David's saying it works well and saves time and better than expected here. Now from Pittsburgh, this is a 3/8 of an inch drive standard ball hex socket set. This is a 6-piece set, and I think it's actually the same deal from Spring Black Friday at 54% off, but double check me on that. This comes in standard or metric, and it was $10.99, it's now $4.99. But check out the ratings, guys. It's only 4.5 out of 5 stars, and 82% would recommend this item. So if you do click on the 1-star replacements, it's kind of interesting because they show the 5 stars, but then if you click on the 1 stars, they're saying broke on the first or the second or third time for some reason. From Quinn, next, this is the 1/2 inch drill drive low profile sealed head ratchet at $19.99. This is 20% off. This is a 90-tooth gear with 4-degree arc swing for working tight spaces. This comes in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, and 95% of people would recommend this. They're saying it's an awesome ratchet. Same as gear wrench, but priced 30 to 40% less, according to Mr. Mitts. Now, in case you missed the 35% off deals on Icon, this is an 11-inch long reach needle nose plier. Now, $21 is not the price. It's actually lower than that. For some reason, they didn't update on some of these pages, which was a little bit frustrating. But this is going to be 99% recommended at 4.8 out of 5 stars. And one fella, Mr. Fish, is saying he even recommends it on getting hooks out of bass fish that are kind of in the throat when they're fishing. So that's one way to use them for sure. Now from Braun, this is a 700 lumen adjustable rechargeable LED headlamp for $19.99. This is going to be 20% off. It's lightweight and durable, and you can position the light up and down, and you can actually adjust it to where you have the wide beam or the more focused beam, which is going to go farther as well. It comes with this rechargeable kit, so you don't need to have new batteries all the time with this, which is really nice. And this is going to be 20% off. Originally it was $24.99. 88% of people are recommending this, 4.5 out of 5 stars. They're just saying makes working in dark safe and easy. And you can always go ahead and check down below for the reviews. Now this is a Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets. This is going to be 24% off. And I wanted to show this picture to you because I always like to show the different tools that can go into these tool totes or bags. I like how it has the tools around the side. It looks like it has some Icon pliers and some wrenches around these little areas. And then in the middle they have, looks like some wood putty, some drill as well. They're recommending this at a 98%, 4.8 out of 5 stars for this one. Now from Chief, you're getting this Pro Long Barrel Air Hammer for $119.99. This is a $20 off coupon, and this delivers up to 65% more force per impact to get the job done fast. It has anti-vibration tech and is lightweight die-cast aluminum body. Was originally $139. This is good to get off those rusted bolts, as you can see in the picture. And then next, he's going to be using a different type of attachment to get this larger one off. 97% of customers are recommending this item at 4.8 out of 5 stars. Guys saying works for what I bought it for. Charles is saying it's good for knocking out roll pins as well. Now guys, if you do appreciate this video, go ahead and leave a like and a comment if there's something you want to pick up or something you missed out on the Spring Black Friday sale. Next, from Icon, you have this 100 to 600 pound click torque wrench. And this one is really popular from Pittsburgh Pro. It's their 1/4 inch drive standard color-coded deep socket set. It's a 10-piece set for $7.99. This is going to be 33% off. Now you can also get this in metric, and this is what the metric set looks like, but color-coded to kind of know what you need to pick up, which is really nice. 99% of customers are recommending this. They're just saying it's in my handyman toolbox. Colin's saying he loves these, and the color coding is great. From Icon, you get these 3/4 inch dry professional 36-inch breaker bars for $79.99. This is a 20% off coupon. Going down to the ratings, 97% of customers would recommend, 4.9 out of 5 stars. Carl's saying beefy tool did the job. Killer breaker bar. Kevin is saying it's a step up from the 1/2 inch breaker bar, and you should get this bad boy, he's saying. Now from Vanguard, this is a 50-foot extension cord at 13% off at $12.99. And then from Storehouse, you've got these 400-foot wire spool racks. That's going to be 16% off at $34. And then $6.99 for these self-drilling screw assortments. And you can see top left or top right, it's saying $7.99, but that's not with the coupon. That's an instant savings deal, actually good through 6/5. So just keep that in mind. The displayed prices may not be the lowest prices there. And these are great, of course, just to have around if you need to, you lose a screw from putting together some furniture that needs to be a wood-bearing screw. Fasten Pro has these 3-way tacker staple gun kits for $7.99. This is 20% off. Now next up, who needs some batteries? AAA alkaline batteries is a 24-pack at $6.99, except it's going to be $4.99. They just didn't update the page yet, and that's 28% off. And then $34.99, 12% off these Vanguard 50-foot outdoor extension cords. I think that battery deal is the same one as the Spring Black Friday sale also. Now from Hardy, you got these goatskin leather work gloves. You can get them in large or extra large. This is going to be $6.99, 12% off, nothing crazy, but a decent pair of gloves if you need to stock up. Now, if you're moving from Franklin, they've got these 80 by 144 inch extra large double-sided moving blankets. So these are great. You need to wrap around furniture or pianos, I guess. $13.99. These were $19.99. Now, this is a 200-pound capacity portable work stand for $19.99. Coupon is 20% off. It was $24.99 in case you need to drop down some wood and do some projects here. Now from Hallmaster, you had these 3-inch cast iron swivel casters. In case you need to put these on something, these are going to be 44% off. And then again, if you're moving, these are great for putting pillows in or blankets in these reusable vacuum bags for $3.49. Now from Greenwood, these are 100-foot contractor garden hoses. If your old garden hose is leaking, you need to pick up a new one. This is $29.99. It's going to be 14% off, and you can get this in 50 or 100 feet. Now they did have some deals, but they hadn't updated the pages yet. So these are some tarps, a 12 by 16 foot tarp for 22% off, 10% off this 12 by 20 foot tarp, or 25% off this smaller one, which is 7 by 9 feet. Now from Hercules, you get this impact driver bit set. This is a really nice bit set. It's a 45-piece set at $16.99, which is going to be 32% off. You're getting that torque point tech, which they're saying delivers longer life than the standard bits. I wonder if it's just some type of coating they put on it, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you know a little bit more about that. This is 98% recommended. They're saying they're impressed with Hercules products. Great, well made from Terry. Warrior, this is a 5 TPI reciprocating saw blade pruning set at $6.99. This is 22% off. It was $8.99. 92% of people are recommending this. And then I think it's Tom, he's saying he cuts through tree roots with this. And when he was done, he even found some cut through rocks when he was using it. So definitely sounds like it's a pretty powerful blade if he's able to cut through rocks. Now guys, these are some foam pads ranging from 3 inches to 6 inches, but they're all the same price at $7.99. 11% off to 20% off here. And now from Harbor Freight, this is a Bauer Premium Auto Detailing Accessory Kit for wet dry vacs at $19.99. This is going to be 33% off, and you're getting that durable hose here. They're saying it's 4 times more durable than other hoses. Now, keeping with Bauer, they've got this micro cleaning accessory kit. It's a 9-piece kit, very highly rated, 25% off at $5.99. And as far as the uses, they're showing with the keyboard, but you know most people are just going to use it for the car. Kind of detailing a car and around your tool garage shop is probably what we'll use it for. From US General, you have this 15 compartment adjustable plier rack. This is 27% off at $12.99. And here's what it looks like with the different pliers in it. You can mount this to the wall, I believe, or just throw it in your tool chest and just close it up to use for later. From Bauer, they had this 18-inch roller tool bag. Now, I really like this one. It's $69.99. It's 22% off. And you see it has the Velcro enclosures on the outside. They have the, looks like a drill and some kind of cutoff tool with some drill bit sets in there. And I like how on the sides they actually have the different pliers and screwdrivers that you can insert into little separate tools so they're not just rolling around and falling around. And then on the back they had this roller handle that you can expand or compress into it as well as the wheels. 97% of customers are recommending this. They're saying it's a versatile, useful tool bag. Great quality, just right is what Top 94 too is saying. And then some other guys are saying it can be used for musical instruments. Now these are some welding and machinery deals. $29 for this 0.025 inch welding wire. A spring clamp is $1 off almost. 0.045 inches for $29.99. That's 21% off this welding wire, and then $329, which is $20 off this oxygen acetyl tank. Now from Merlin, you've got these 1/4 inch female brass industrial plugs for $199, or from the same brand, these extended dual foot air chuck inflators for the same price at 25% off. Now from Central Pneumatic, you've got this 100-foot manual steel air hose at 20% off for $19.99. You can hold 100 feet of 3/8 inch hose or 50 foot of the larger width hose. Now this is from Baxter. It's a 6-inch Pro Orbital composite air sander for $79. 11% off. It was $89.99. And now there's this air dent puller for $69.99. It's 12% off. So I guess it's saying it requires no drilling and no welding, which is interesting. Guess that just gets dents out of cars there. Now from Chief is this 1/4 inch professional composite straight air die grinder at $39.99. It's 20% off, and it delivers up to 24,000 RPMs for fast grinding and deburring. Now if you need something, it's a 4 inches with a little more extended shaft. For limited space, you can get this one. It's actually on a better sale at 28% off at $49. Now from Pittsburgh, this is a 2 1/4 inch 15-pound suction cup lifter, and they're saying you can use this with glass, tile, or really any smooth surface material with a suction cup. Now from Pittsburgh, you had this no-spill radiator funnel kit, really highly rated here at $27.99. This is 30% off, and it's a no-spill funnel kit, so you just kind of screw it in or push it in, and you just let it drain down once you pull up that little yellow part in the middle. And for coolant or whatever you need to use here. 30% off, pretty good deal here at $27.99. It was $39.99. And this is rated at 96%, 4.8 out of 5 stars. They're saying it does the job, best product per that reviewer. Regular 5-gallon gas can here for $18.99. It's 13% off, and it's carb certified here. Now this is the PB Penetrant Pro with straw for $4.99. It's 28% off, and here you're able to bust loose like rusted nuts or frozen parts caused by corrosion. And this is going to be 28% off. You can get up to 4 at this price, and 98% of people are recommending it out of 1,500 Reviews, they're saying it's a great 2-in-1 product and it comes with the hose. Now from Haulmaster, you're getting this 2 3/4 cubic foot steel trailer tongue box at $89, $30 off. And they're saying this is easy to install to your trailer tongue or truck bed to store tools and tie downs. Now from Haulmaster, this is a 5,000-pound A-frame weather-resistant electric trailer jack with drop leg. And now this one is a 250-pound capacity truck ladder rack. $99, but it's going to be $89 with this deal. And you can carry ladders. I see a lot of people are driving around with these, and they have different tools on them, different size ladders too. Now this is an 800-pound capacity full-size truck rack. Now it's not $299. I'll show you the actual price here because I didn't update that page yet. It's going to be $269, which is $30 off. And again, from Haulmaster, you have this 1,200-pound capacity 3.7-foot cable winch puller. That's going to be $14. And now from Predator, this is a 100-foot high-volume watering kit with adjustable spray nozzle. This is going to be $10 off at $99.